Hi, I'm Lolita and I'm one of the co-owners and operator here at JungleBird, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So we're currently in our second location, situated in the heart of the Bukit Damansara neighbourhood in Kuala Lumpur. It's actually just outside the heart of the KL City Centre. So we opened back in 2017 and we are the first cocktail bar in Malaysia, focusing on cane-based spirits and cocktails. So this is our second location in the same neighbourhood within Bukit Damansara. We relocated at the beginning of 2021, just 200 meters down the road from our old spot. The Lyre's range of products has really transformed the way that we serve low and no alcohol beverages. So today I'm going to be showcasing one of the Lyre's drinks on our menu. It's called a Papa Manuel, and it is a non-alcoholic serve of an Old Cuban that was originally created by Audrey Saunders at the Penguin Club in New York. So for this drink, we're using Lyre's white cane spirit, freshly squeezed lime juice, a house-made ginger syrup, a handful of fresh mint leaves. It's all shaken up. And then topped off with a splash of Lyre's Classico Grande.